Hi guys, welcome back again to Victoria's Kitchen. I hope you all are doing great. So I bring you all another recipe. Today we're having plantain and yam porridge. So if you're new here, you're highly welcome. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always sticking by. Thank you for always coming around to watch my videos. So guys, let's get into today's video. Here are the ingredients. Here we have plantain and yam. We have ripe plantain there. We have onion, and this is our spice. You can use any spice of your choice. So here we have our sardine. Here we have fresh fish, microwave fish, and spinach. Here we have tomato and pepper mix. Okay. Here we have unripe plantain and yam, and before that we have ripe plantain. Okay, we're gonna be putting that at the end. So guys, let's get into today's cooking. I've just added olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Once that is heated, add your onion, okay, and then add your pepper mix and mix everything together. So here we have our spices. I'll add that in and then crush the seasoning cube and then mix all of this together. So once that is properly mixed, I'll go ahead and add our salt to taste. Here we'll have our sardine. I'll add that in and then mix together again. So next is to add our fresh fish. So I'll be adding this in and then followed with adding water. I'll allow this to cook until the fish is properly done, okay? Because we're using a fresh fish, we have to allow it to cook. Maximum 10 to 15 minutes it should be done, okay? So here I'm adding water, and after that I'll cover up to start cooking. The fish has been cooking for a while now, so I'm gonna open this up to see how it's getting on. And at this point, when I checked it, it's fully cooked and it's done. Just merely looking at it, you know whether it's cooked or not. So after this, I will stir this up and then add our main ingredient, which is yam and unripe plantain. So guys, if you watched up to this point, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you guys. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, this is the best time to hit the subscription button and turn on your bell notification, okay? And be a part of this Victoria's Kitchen. It's very sweet over here, okay? We cook delicious meals here. We inspire you to eat healthy and look after yourself. So I've just added the yam and unripe plantain, added the required amount of water, okay? You don't need to add so much water because we want it to have a little bit thick consistency, okay? So I just covered it up, cooked for a while, like about 10 minutes or so. It doesn't take long, and as you've seen, I've just dipped fork into it and it is perfectly done, okay? So that's how to know whether your yam is done or not. If it's hard when you press fork in it, that means it still needs to be cooked. At this point it is done. And finally I've just added ripe plantain, so yeah, followed with spinach, and the food is coming together already. So after adding your spinach, you don't need to cook it so much. At this point I've already off my heat and allowed the remaining steam to steam up the vegetables. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching up till now. I really do appreciate you all. Give this video a like, subscribe if you're yet to, comment down below, tell me what you think about this recipe, whether you're gonna try it or not. Thank you so much guys. I'm gonna see you all in my next one. With that, just know that Jesus loves you. Keep living by faith and not by sight. Stay blessed wherever you are. Bye.